So let's begin. Starting about Advise International, it's a one-stop solution, study abroad solution for all the study abroad needs. It has altogether 23 branches all over India. It represents 725 universities worldwide, and it has trained and experienced counselors all over the world and branches. Talking about today's session, I'll be discussing more about engineering and engineering management as an option for international students. So let's begin. International students who want to study engineering as an option in the US, they have a wide variety to choose from. The field is blooming and growing day by day, and the prospects for both US and overseas are good. Students who have interest in maths and science should consider this part of study to study and many different specializations that it offers. Talking about the degree in engineering also equips graduates with a number of transferable skills. Engineering students build sets that can be applied on daily basis, such as problem solving, decision making, innovations, project management, teamwork, and also communication. These are some reasons why students choose engineering to study and succeed. Talking about engineering management as an option, it is USA's topmost destination to choose and study about masters in engineering management in the US. They can have careers in engineering as an engineering managers in manufacturing, construction, technology fields. Degree also is useful for those who want technical management and leadership roles in the firms, as they have knowledge of both management and engineering processes. These are some options where students get as a career prospects. Now let's talk about the application process about these courses. So entrance requirement for engineering programs vary from college to college and university. Department typically offers specialization within the field. If you are an international student and you're considering a career in engineering, be sure you speak to the students and faculty. Like, you'll have to talk to the faculty or consult an agent like us and talk to us regarding the course and option which US offers in engineering field. An engineering degree grows in popularity. More specific area and specialization are being offered. Nuclear engineering, artificial international, architecture engineering, and audio engineering are the most known courses in the US. Talking about the top schools in the US, Massachusetts Institute of Technology is highly known for engineering and engineering management courses. Stanford University, Harvard University, University of Houston, University of Illinois, California Institute of Technology. Then we have couple of more universities like Purdue University, Penn State Great Valley University, Duke University, and University of Arizona. Although these are many engineering programs throughout the US, a few stand out among the rest. According to the US News ranking, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Stanford Institute, and University of California, Berkeley tops the chart when it comes to undergrad engineering programs. International student who wants to study engineering in the US and want a top tier education should consider applying to these programs. University of Kansas, for example, offers programs in electrical and electronic engineering, engineering physics, applied physics, engineering science, and engineering industrial management. Additionally, Auburn University's engineering program is constantly finding innovative ways to contribute to scientific development. So let's talk about careers in engineering. If you are considering a degree in engineering, you will soon find that there are many opportunities for an international student who graduates from engineering degree. Whether you study chemical, mechanical, civil or electrical engineering, there are high demand of gain skills. Also, they have good variety of salaries depending on the work you do. Salary ranges from 50,000 USDs to 1,00,000 USDs also. The extremely wide range of potential specialization in engineering careers. The highest paid engineering jobs in the US are petroleum engineering, electrical engineering, aerospace engineering, chemical engineering, and material engineering. Talking about Masters in Engineering Management in the US is a degree earned by an engineer who wants to gain management techniques along with some more knowledge related to core engineering principles. Exceptional communication and technical skills along with this degree will make you stand out to find job easily. The following are some professions that one can choose after the degree: engineer management, system engineer, project manager, business analyst, financial analyst, entrepreneur, and consultant. In the international job market for engineering is also promising, and emerging market boosts the high demand for engineers due to major industrial and commercial expansion that are undergoing. So this is about engineering courses in the US. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat box. So I have a question in the chat box saying, ma'am, GRE mandatory for masters in US? Yes, it's mandatory in the US. Like if you're taking any science related courses, it is very much mandatory in the US. So I have one more question saying, what are the scopes of masters in architecture? There are good scopes for masters in architecture in the US. There are multiple options like urban planning, structural design, and multiple options for architecture courses in the US. Yes, we do have tie-ups with Canada colleges and universities. If you have any detailed information, you can put it in our chat box, or else you can contact us on our website. Also, I would like to tell you that we are organizing some virtual events where you will be talking to the university representatives online on the Zoom meeting app. The event for engineering and engineering management related courses are on the 22nd of February, that's Monday, and the timing for it is in between 3 to 6. So you can either put your all your information in the chat box, or else you can contact us, visit our website, or else we are always available to take your calls. We have 23 branches all over India. So I have one more question. For September intake in Canada, what is the last month we should start the process? You can start the process now. It depends on the program, what program you're opting. If you are looking for any courses related to project management, supply chain management, or business, you need to start as soon as possible because it depends overall on the program. So we do have tie up with, see, in masters in Canada there are thesis and non-thesis courses. So you'll have to find out about taking a counseling session with us. You can drop in your details in the chat box, and after that you can talk to a counselor from Advice, and they will suggest you what best options are available. Okay, I have a question. Yes, you can very much look for overseas education. For BCom students, either you can choose a master's course in management, MBA. There are ample number of options open. US is a country where different background students can also enter. So you can very much do the process with us. You will have to drop in your contact details in the chat box, or else on a direct message on Instagram, or maybe on Facebook, and we can definitely help you and suggest you options and give you a detailed counseling on information on US and Canada both. We do have tie-ups with universities. We do handle different countries with Advice. So if in case you are opting for US or Canada or any other country, we are good to help you. So if in case you want any other information apart from US or Canada, you can definitely stay in touch with us on our website. As I said, we are organizing various events. We can definitely help you. So yes, we applications are started for US and Canada. You can definitely start looking for a good counselor where they will update you with all the information for US and Canada both, and then they will suggest you best universities which your profile is suitable. Then after that, your requirements for IELTS, GRE, whatever is there, they'll help you. So Shaz, please drop in your contact details in the chat box. We'll definitely get back to you. Thank you, Satyam. So I have a question saying, ma'am, can I join any degree after my BA music degree? So I didn't get your question. Can you retype it? Yes, you can very much do a social service course. We'll have to check universities after your BA. We'll have to see universities which offer such courses, and accordingly what are the requirements, because as I said, each university will have their own requirement. So we'll have to check universities, and we can give you all the information. So you can go for a master's in music in the US, or we have courses in Canada as well. We'll have to check good options which we can give you similar to music as an option. You can drop in your details in the chat box and we can help you. So the process, Mangesh, for overseas study basically starts from choosing universities, first getting a counseling done with a consultant, taking information, then starting to choose your universities, doing your own research in this part, and choosing the best option, best country. We do have countries like US, Australia, UK, Singapore, Ireland, New Zealand, Germany, and Canada, and many other countries we do handle. So you'll have to take counseling first. After that, you'll have to select which country is best for you in terms of finances and everything. After that, you'll have to talk to the consultant. They will help you with the best solutions. Then you will have to see a university. After that, whatever requirements the university is asking for, either an IELTS or a TOEFL or a GRE, whatever they are asking, you'll start preparing for it. After that is done, you'll have to submit all your documents to advice, and we'll be helping you in the application process, in the entire process basically. Please drop in your details, Mangesh. We'll definitely help you in the process for UK. So admission processes in Canada, we have PG diploma options and master's option in Canada. So the process for them is the same. We do online, offline applications, and whatever requirements they have, you'll have to see to it. First, you'll have to take a counseling session. Shreyanshi, sorry. Yes, we do focus on Ivy Leagues, US. The scope of UG in Canada is good. Students can go for a diploma, a certificate program, or an advanced diploma and a bachelor's program. These are some options. So you'll have to see what course you're looking at, and accordingly we can definitely help you. Australia, you will have to put your details, Parth, in the chat box. Australian counselor will definitely stay in touch with you. I am Joker, any possibility PR in UK? Please drop in your details in the chat box. The UK and the Australia counselor will definitely get in touch with you. Hi, I'm not the concerned person to talk about UK as a country, but you can definitely give your contact details. Somebody from Advise will get in touch with you. Hello, Ankita. So, Ilaf Ansari, I have spoken today about engineering and engineering management related courses and options relating to it in the US. So, Anjali, UK or Canada is good for social service courses. Both options are open. There are good universities in both the countries. You will have to talk to somebody from Canada and UK, get more information or detailed information, and accordingly, you can take it ahead from there. You can put your details, your contact email, and your contact number in the chat box. You can DM us, direct message on Instagram, or else you can visit our website, that is www.adviseinternational.com. Hi, Raman. Okay, so do you want information on US, Canada? Which country are you looking at, Raman? Scholarships for masters in engineering in UK. Getting a full scholarship depends on your merit scores, basically how much scores you have in your academics plus the requirements for English proficiency. It all depends on your overall profile, and based on that you will get scholarships. Canada and UK both are a good option for hospitality management. You can either choose any country. Canada is known for hospitality management courses. They have good colleges which give you a diploma options and masters too with good exposure. Yes, you can definitely offer hospitality management course after 12th standard. You'll have to look for an undergrad diploma. Like I said, for 12th standard pass out students, there are many options like a certificate diploma, advanced diploma, and a bachelor's. So you'll have to find a good college which is offering this course. Management, there are ample number of options for hospitality management, tourism, culinary skills, baking, pastry. All these courses are good. IT in Australia is good. Australia is a very good country, and you can definitely put in your details part in the chat or DM us, and we can definitely help you. So the best country for hotel management courses, it depends on the student's finance. All the countries have good exposure in terms of the courses they provide. So it depends on your finances, your entry requirements, and basically your whole profile. So accommodations, we do help with the accommodation part in the US. Advice does helps in the entire process to go ahead with the counseling part, the application procedure, helping in the visa and entire thing. We do provide with the bank loans, we do provide with the coaching for IELTS, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, SATs, everything basically. So we do help in accommodation. So each country will have accommodation very different from each other. For US specifically, if you are looking at the cost for accommodation, roughly we can give you in between 10 to 15 lakhs per year. So if you are looking at fields, you can choose for hotel management. There is hotel restaurant operation management option, culinary skills, there is pastry baking, then there are ample number of options. It depends what are your focus of exploring. So you can look for Canada as an option for PG diplomas. You can look for Ireland as an option. You can look for Dubai, Singapore as an option. Whatever best is suitable, we can definitely help you in this. So you can put your details in the chat box and we can help you in understanding in detailed about the country. So best country for HR, all the countries are good as per, as I said, as per your finances, as per your entry requirements, as per your profile. You'll have to take country counseling for each of the country, and depending on your budget you can choose a specific country and go ahead with the procedure. Yes, so PG programs in Germany and Japan. Japan, unfortunately, we don't help, but Germany we do help. You can stay in touch with us. You can put your details in the chat box. Doctorate programs for Germany, you can put all your details in the chat box so that we can help you in the procedure. Yes, hotel management is a good career option. So there are no more questions here. So if in case you have any questions or any queries to be answered, you can contact us. You can visit our website. You can message on our Facebook and Instagram pages, and we can definitely help you for the further process. Thank you all for joining. Thank you.